How to set video as wallpaper on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to set video as a wallpaper on Android. So you can basically download the video source from any of your website or applications such as Pinterest or TikTok or YouTube, from wherever. And once you get your video onto your gallery, so let's say I wipe this video over here, or let's say I have this video over here and I want to set it as a wallpaper. That is a video wallpaper. As you can see, it's a 1 second video. So let's say I will simply tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner and simply click on this set as wallpaper, which you will be getting an option in the most of the Android devices. And if you would like to create a GIF file of this particular video, you can also do so by simply tapping on this and simply click on this create GIF, which will automatically create a GIF such as this. So now let me just quickly show you by simply tapping on this three dot icon over here and simply clicking on this set as wallpaper. Now you'll be getting an option to decide between lock screen and call background. So since I want it on lock screen, I'll simply select this lock screen button over here. And you just have to wait for a few seconds until it shows you the option wherever you want to adjust it. And you can simply tap on this turn button at the top, or you can even trim if you have a longer videos. So that is exactly how you can easily set a video as a wallpaper on Android. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.